Now that 2017 is well behind us, maybe you've been considering picking up a new phone to go with the whole New Year theme. We might have just what you're looking for, especially if that something is easily one of the best phones available, the LG V30. This giveaway is actually for an unlocked V30 Plus, which differs from the regular V30 by offering 128 gigs of storage and a set of quad-play earphones in the box. We're running the normal international contest rules for this one, which means you'll need to head on over to the link below and sign up through the contest widget. We'll be running the contest for the next 3 weeks, so be sure to check your inboxes on February 23rd to see which winner we've chosen from the proverbial hat. The contest widget is simple. Just input your name and email address for a single entry, and follow the rest of the widget to add multiple entries to that box. If you haven't subscribed to us yet on YouTube, be sure to do so through the contest widget, as that will add quite a few entries to the box and get you closer to the possibility of winning this excellent phone. Also be sure to check out our social media channels and LG's social media channels through that contest widget as well, as those will get you bonus points. Thanks for stopping by, and be sure to check out our other videos in the meantime, as well as other contests we're running right now too. Good luck to everyone.